everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is Chicken Stir-Fry. It's show number 213, and I know this is going to be a good one because I just love Chinese food. And it's very simple, there's only a few ingredients and you can make it really fast. And we're lucky because Chef Bill stopped by today to show us how to make it. So I know he wants to start out with the chicken, cutting that up. I'll do the ingredients while he starts cutting the chicken. So let's go through. First of all, we have teriyaki. We have a can of beans. Peanuts. I just dumped some out. And by the way, you don't have to write down the measurements. All the measurements and the list of ingredients are going to be, if you click subscribe, then you'll see the more button. You can click the more button and you'll see all the ingredients and the measurements. Or if you want, you can go to our website, which is right over here, used to be there, jamestbs.blogspot.com. Noodles. You need some stir-fry noodles. Get them out of the Asian aisle. And of course, no Asian food would be correct without rice wine vinegar. Carrots are just one of the most fantastic things to use in Asian food, just like tomatoes are. What a taste these things get. We're just going to cut these up. And then we have some Chinese 5-spice, which is basically tastes like cinnamon and probably tastes a little bit like sugar and a few other things real well. Good taste. And we have a 1/4 cup of water. Let's go ahead and cut up the carrots. So I'm using this new tool knife that I got the other day. And William is using the trusted butcher knife. I had to stop and think for a minute. I'm being a nice guy. I let him have the better, I think, of the two knives. But I will tell you, I do like this knife. This is in the drawer of my favorites. I think I could throw away my meat cleaver and use this as a meat cleaver also. And after we get done cutting these carrots, I think we need to check that chicken and see if we need to turn it over. I can smell the olive oil and basil that's mixed in that olive oil. Thank you to my sister for that. And yeah, we'll just start to turn them over a little bit, I think.
Do we need a new tongs?
I got them hanging up right up there. Help yourself. I'm going to move over on this side of you, William.
We'll just turn them over.
I would. As you noticed, with the new stove, we have a little bit more room, but I put the peanut chopper on this side, so I'm just going to put this in and chop some peanuts. There we go. I tasted that. That tastes pretty good. It tastes like a cinnamon. It wasn't strong at all. So.
Two of these?
2 or 3. A little is good, a lot is better. I gotta go turn the burner down on the pasta water. Sorry, I got a belly. Get past you. Let me have a wooden spoon.
Do we have the water in the beans?
Yeah, that water goes in there too.
Yeah.
I'm stirring all of those noodles. Now, you know, one important thing about Asian noodles is you have to rinse your rice or your noodles. Keep it from sticking together. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to check this chicken really fast and just see where we are. But I think I'm going to put a lid on it.
And it's the
Look at, what do you see there?
162.
Yeah, that's what I figured. I'm turning this heat off. Guess I won't put the lid on it.
So
How'd that new thing work?
pretty good.
Well, here it is. Here's the little, because I think that'd probably be better in a little pot. I'm telling you, this thing works so good, and it was so inexpensive. What a neat idea. I'll just put that there. Here's the big one. Yeah, I think you want to use the big one on a bigger bowl. I'm going to say yes, this definitely works. That's my review. The question of the day is, do you like chicken? If you like chicken, hit the thumbs up button. We want to see how many people like chicken. We have 10,600 some views. So we have a lot of people that are watching. We can get a good cross section. So thumbs up if you like chicken, click that. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see all the videos that we're doing.
We're going to add carrots and the bean sauce.
Mm-hmm. And then probably just give it a stir, huh? I think just give it a little bit of a stir. What's nice is when you put that bean sauce in there, that's going to lower the temperature of the pot. That'll cause the chicken to stop cooking.
Then we add the noodles.
Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to serve things up here. So I have the noodles, which it's hard to do this neatly. And some chicken and some carrots. And then of course if you're in the kitchen, you're the chef, you do this and nobody notices. Just like that. Well, how about some peanuts on top? Look at that, huh? That's pretty exciting. There you go. That's our show for the day. Thanks for coming. All of you, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like chicken, and hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.